To reprice your items manually on Walmart, go into your items page, then on the right hand side, top right, you'll look for filters, and you can select inventory and select available so that you can just look at the listings that you have in stock. But you can also click on out of stock if you want to focus on those. Then go into fulfillment type and click on the fulfillment type that your listings are under. So my listings are WFS, so I'm going to select WFS. After that, click on columns and then look for buy box price. Typically buy box price is going to be somewhere down here, and you'll have to drag it up with the dragger icon on the right. So go ahead and bring buy box price up next to price. X that out. And then from there, you'll see that my price and buy box price are right next to each other. And so my goal now is to look for any inconsistencies between the price and the buy box price, right? So is my price matching the buy box price? And I'm just simply scrolling down, looking for any inconsistencies where I may not be in the buy box or my price is not matching the buy box price. And I can go in and match the price if I'd like. And that's essentially it. It's pretty simple to just match your prices. But what I will say is sometimes you actually want to click on the listing before you reprice it, because Walmart will show a lower price here, and the lower price is not always the buy box price. It says buy box winner, it says buy box price, but it's not actually what's in the buy box. And sometimes that's just a merchant fulfilled offer that's priced a little bit lower than you, and the system will just kind of default that to the buy box price. Sometimes it actually is the buy box price. It really depends, but in a lot of cases, and this is why I'm saying this, is that when I go in on the listing, when I'm not on the buy box or the buy box price is not matching my price, I'll actually click on the listing and find that I actually am in the buy box, and the lowest price is just another competitor that's either merchant fulfilled and their price $1, $2 lower than me. And so that's just something to look out for. Otherwise, this is how I manually reprice my items, and it's good to do this if you don't have a repricer. I personally don't have a repricer right now for Walmart, and that's just because the nature of where Walmart is as a marketplace. Walmart is still a relatively new marketplace, and so softwares like a repricer may not be the most cost efficient right now, or even make sense, or even actually be effective. So until then, I'll be doing this, and I typically reprice my items. It honestly depends. Sometimes it's once a day, sometimes it's twice a day. Sometimes there are listings where sellers are very aggressive, so you want to be on the lookout for those. And that's essentially it, right? So if you want to reprice your items manually without a software right on Walmart, this is one way that you can do it.